Hello everyone! Thank you for your interest in learning about root cause analysis. My name is Bernhard Zoom and I work for Elastic on increasing adoption of machine learning and show how our capabilities help people like you get to insight and value faster. Today I'm going to talk about why root cause analysis is important, the 4 phases it generally proceeds, and general approaches for applying it. What is root cause analysis? Essentially, it's a systematic process to discover the root cause of issues like problems buying stuff on your website with significant negative impact on your business, so you cannot just ignore it and you have to do something about it. It's applied not only in retail, but also many other industries, telecommunications, manufacturing, healthcare, IT operations. Here I show the 4 phases which root cause analysis typically proceeds. First, you need to identify the problem, not just its symptoms at a superficial level, but deeper. So in our example, not just an e-commerce transaction failed, but the user had products in their cart, and when they clicked to submit, and that error occurred. Second, to get towards understanding of your problem, you analyze the data. That typically will be already in Elastic, and its visualizations and analysis capabilities that are powered by statistics and machine learning can get you a long way. And we'll tell you more about that later. Third, once you have identified several causal factors that are related to your problem, you need to determine the actual root cause. Admittedly, that's typically the hardest part of this process. But once you have root cause, typically remedies suggest themselves, both for the short term and for long-term fix. So then in phase 4, you will get to implement those remedies that will prevent recurrence of the issues in the future. Now, how can you actually do this? Here I'm describing multiple approaches to root cause analysis that are quite popular. First, there's what's known as the 5 whys. So that leads you to repeatedly ask the question, why? Why did your customers weren't they able to check out the product? But you don't satisfy with a superficial explanation. You go further. Why couldn't they check out? Well, maybe there were some latencies on your backend, or there was a race conditions, or there was a sales rush. Why was there a race conditions? And so on. Second, there's a class of approaches that help you by visualizing effects and their causes. And third, it's useful to get quantitative, especially once you move towards implementing solutions that may take some cost. So you want to quantify what's the actual impact of the issue. And a Pareto chart is a quite basic way to do that. All right. So how can Elastic help you apply root cause analysis? First, you need to have the relevant data in Elastic. And we have literally hundreds of integrations that allow you to connect to different data sources. Amazon S3 buckets, log metrics, and so forth. After having the data in Elastic, well, before you can get to root cause, well, you need to identify the issue, find it in your data. And for that, Elastic's anomaly detection works great. Elastic Observability and Security come with pre-configured detectors, or you can use our wizards to configure your own anomaly detection model. Moving on to the Analyze Data phase, identify the various factors contributing to the identified issues by applying statistical methods like automated log rate spike explanation also one of our AI ops capabilities, or applying supervised models, like classifying domains as suspicious, or characterizing the state of your system with a classifier. In the third phase, you need to determine which of these various factors actually represent the root cause. Collaboration and interactive visits can guide you in this critical phase of the root cause analysis process before you move on to implementing corrective action that will prevent recurrence in the future. What should you remember from this video? First, that root cause analysis is a critical element to help you prevent problems from recurring and reduce negative impact to your business. Second, Elastic has many tools that accelerate getting to root cause, help you, guide you along the way. Third, bottom line, this reduces mean time to respond and remedy, both for observability, security, or whichever use case is most important to you. Continue watching the other parts of this series, which reveal a lot more how Elastic can help you accelerate root cause in the context of system monitoring, security, and industrial IoT. Second, check out information available on our website, like our Elasticsearch machine learning page and the machine learning playlist in our YouTube channel. Engage with us. You can go to discusselastic.co and ask questions. And if you don't have access to Elastic yet, sign up for our free 14-day trial to get your hands on this and try it out yourself. I hope something in this video applies to the problems you're working on. Watch part 2 to have us walk you through how to apply our specific root cause analysis tools in the context of observability. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.